Well, hey there, everybody. I'm attorney Aiden Kramer with the law office of Aiden Kramer in Colorado. And you, my friend, are watching All Up in Your Business. If you're starting a business, or even if you're not starting a business, you might be working from your home. That might be your office. I'm a few years into my business and I work from home, whether it's for budget reasons or just for leisure because I like to work in my pajamas. A home-based business might be the right option for a lot of people. So today I'm going to walk through some of the things that you need to be aware of or take care of if you're going to be operating a business out of your home. First thing, if you're going to be operating a business from your home, you want to make sure that you have any required licenses or permits. Many cities or towns or even counties might require that a home-based business have a certain type of license to operate in the home. Certainly not every city and not every place requires this, but there are some that do. So it's going to be very specific to where you are located, and it's going to vary depending on where you are. Along with that permit licensing idea are zoning restrictions. There might be some zoning restrictions that would either prevent you from working from home or prevent some of the things that you can do, such as advertise. If you're in a residential community, you may not be able to put out a sign that advertises your business. You also want to make sure that operating a business from your home isn't going to violate your lease or your HOA's laws. If you're renting a place, some leases might say that you can't operate a business in that property. And if you do, you could potentially be evicted. So you want to check your lease, make sure that there are no restrictions there. If there are, talk to your landlord and see if there's some way that you guys can work it out. Same with your HOA. Some HOAs might restrict people from operating a business from their home. So just be aware of that because you don't want to violate those restrictions and those requirements for your HOA or your lease, whatever it is. If you own your home and you have a mortgage on it, you should also check with your lender because some lenders might actually have a restriction in the mortgage agreement that the home can't be used for a business purpose. I haven't seen that all that often, but it does happen. So definitely make sure, check with your lender, check your mortgage documents to make sure you're allowed to use the home for a business while it's mortgaged. One of the benefits of working from your home is that you get tax deductions. You get to deduct a portion of your rent or your mortgage payment. You can deduct some of your utilities. You can deduct a lot of your home expenses for the business. So make sure that you have adequate records set up and you have a good record keeping system because when you take those deductions, you want to make sure you have record of them in case the IRS ever comes a knocking looking for it. You want to have receipts. You want to have your bookkeeping in order, all of that you want to have documented if you're going to take those tax deductions. Another issue that often comes up if you're operating a business from your home has to do with the registered agent. If you don't know what a registered agent is, I have a video from a long time ago talking about what a registered agent is, so check back for that. But if your business is formed as an LLC or a corporation, you're going to need to have a registered agent. And if you are your own registered agent and your business location is your home, just know that if you ever get sued or you're ever involved in a legal action, you could be served at your home. And that could potentially be embarrassing if you've got nosy neighbors or if you have kids in the home, you don't want them potentially exposed to that. Again, there's nothing wrong with being your own registered agent, even if you work from home, but just knowing that it may be better for you just for your own sake to have a third-party registered agent that's not located in your house. And then finally, insurance. You want to talk to your insurance agent to make sure that everything's going to be covered. If you have renter's insurance or homeowner's insurance, your business assets may not be covered if there's a flood or a fire. If you have an office and it burns down, your homeowner's or renter's insurance might not cover it. And same thing with having employees and clients in your home. If I had a client in my home and my dog bit it, I don't know if that would be covered under my home insurance or if I need special business insurance to cover that type of a thing. So if you are going to be operating a business out of your home, you definitely want to check with your insurance agent or an insurance professional to make sure all of your personal home assets are going to be protected as well as your business's assets. So operating a business from your home can be a great thing. Obviously, it's convenient, there's flexibility, you get to dress in your jammies every day. With all that good, of course, comes other things that you need to remember. So, of course, it's a great idea to talk to an attorney and an accountant and an insurance person, all of these people, if you're going to be working from your home, because you want to make sure all the bases are covered and that you and your business and your home are going to be protected if anything happens. If you're in Colorado and are looking to start a business in your home or have questions about running a business from your home, please feel free to contact me. My phone number and email are below. If any of you run a business out of your house, I would love for you to comment and tell me what your favorite thing is about working from home. Mine, obviously, is being able to work in your pajamas. What's your favorite thing of working from home? Please go ahead and comment those below. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more episodes of All Up in Your Business. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm Aiden Kramer, and I'll see you next time.